government continues to make sure that Jamaica's agriculture sector can satisfy the country's food security and public health needs. The latest evidence of that came with the construction of a research station in Hounslow, St. Elizabeth. The facility, which was built at a cost of $5 million, will help to improve the quality of small livestock in that parish. From this site, technicians will offer services such as artificial insemination and embryo transfer to farmers who are involved in goat and sheep rearing. It is expected that these services will add new breeds to the goat and sheep industry while building the animal stock.
This is an excellent facility that is being put in here to service this end of the island. And I think here at Hounslow it will make a tremendous difference for the farmers within the region.
The center will also have the capacity to carry out veterinary services. Manager of the facility and the Chief Livestock Officer in the Ministry of Agriculture, Audley Facey, says it will also assist the farmers who may have issues with disease control among their animals.
If farmers have any disease concern, they would bring in and samples will be taken and be dealt with in a technical capacity.
This development will increase the number of government facilities offering such services, improve animal health, and support the traceability system being implemented by the ministry.
Animal health is really something that the ministry is very concerned about. And this process that is going to be in train here will help to ensure that we produce animals that are of proper quality, so that when we decide to go the way of traceability, we'll be able to know where animals came from and exactly what that whole chain was like. And if there's any problem along the chain, we'll be able to identify it. This is all part of the whole technological advancement in agriculture, and the whole business of research and development is continuing here at Hounslow. And I'm really pleased that we have joined with other partners. The ministry has made its contribution to ensure that this project does succeed.
Construction of the research center is funded by the Common Fund for Commodity, and the long-term project involves building other facilities such as classrooms, lecture halls, dormitories, and a fertility lab. The center will also engage students across Western Jamaica, especially those at Newell High School, where the ministry has adopted the Agricultural Science Department.
They will have an opportunity to come here and interact with the project, and they will be able to learn much more and become part of the team that at a later stage will be able to help to pass on the training and the information to others.
The center will advance the speedy turnaround of small ruminants and build the capacity of that sector to supply local demand.
We have to prepare and set the groundwork to allow us to be sustainable in these matters. So what is happening here, really, we are sowing a seed that will germinate into a mighty big tree.